Hi, it's me again, doing weird shit again. And the music is probably too loud. Should be fine like this, I guess. So today, I guess we can do some impacto stuff. Mainly implementing Chaos Child UI. Why Chaos Child? Well, and why Chaos Child UI specifically? I guess I thought it would just be a bit of fun. It's definitely probably not the best order of doing things in terms of the port, because there are still a bunch of things that I would need to do first before the UI. But I guess I just thought we could have a bit of fun. Do tell me if I'm too quiet or too loud or anything like that. Well, whatever. Anyway, so why specifically Chaos Child? Well, because Chaos Child Android has all the symbols, so it's pretty easy to figure out. And because I already did something like this for the 3DS demo. I'm not sure how many of you that are here, that are like 3 people, have seen the 3DS thing, but it was a thing. And I've implemented some of the stuff for Chaos Child menus in there, so I thought it would be a good idea to transfer them over to Impacto. Oh, good. So let's start, I guess. So here is Impacto crap code. And in order to, I already made a Chaos Child profile, and the game actually does run, thanks to the work we've done previously to make Chaos Child Love Choo Choo working to a certain extent. So Chaos Child is actually, it's working. It's you can even progress through the story a bit. There are no delusion triggers though, so, but it does work. Yeah, that was definitely a chaotic stream, the Chaos Child Love Choo Choo one. I don't think this one is going to be that chaotic, unfortunately, I guess. Well, so I already made a Chaos Child profile, like we did in the Chaos Child Love Choo Choo thing, but so I'm gonna have to add all of the files for the menus and stuff. So that's fun. So yeah, this first part isn't going to be very fun actually, because I have to create all the files and stuff. So first of all, we need to create profile stuff. So I think this is where we keep, somewhere in here. This is where I find out that I barely actually know the impactor code. I always forget where the hell are the menu types and all of that. Ah, there it is, title menu type. So I'm gonna do the title menu first, and then maybe the system message box. So we're gonna add a CC title menu type. So that will be a thing now in the profile. And in order to make some specific stuff for it, we need to create CC folder in the games profile stuff. And I'm just gonna randomly copy memories of 6 title menu files into here. That was a mistake. Well, and basically just change everything from memories of 6 to Chaos Child. So what do we have here? Do we have the copyright sprite? Yeah, I guess we do. We have the logo sprite and the menu background. Well, not really. Menu background is the same as the background sprite in Chaos Child, so nah, we'll deal with this later. I guess I can just remove everything for now. Just leave it like this. And we need to create an actual title menu UI class in it's actually in games. Once again, create a Chaos Child folder, and then we'll copy the dash title menu because it has nothing in it, so that will be pretty simple. Again, change everything to Chaos Child. Yep, looks good enough for now. And for the profile, finding shit is takes a long time. I only left these 3, so we do have the press to start animations, but don't have these, so change that to CC. Change this. Get rid of all of this. And now we have to add them to the CMake lists. This is the boring bit so far. Just add it after Chaos Head Love Choo Choo, I guess. Just do a bit of copying once again. Oh, shouldn't have done that. And this as well. So now let's change the actual Chaos Child profile to actually use this. So it's right here in title menu, so we change this to Chaos Child. Now we're gonna have to figure out where the hell are all of the needed parts for this. So title menu press to start. So there is a title chip file, I guess. Hold on, let me find the files real quick. I guess I might also join the voice chat and committee of 07 if anyone wants to hop on for this not to be so boring. Or see, that's convenient because you have the permission for the lab, so if you want you can hop on. Oh god, not this music. Anyway, I know we can't see anything, so... Okay, where the hell are the Chaos Child files? Need to find the Chaos Child files. They're somewhere. There they are. The system. Okay, so we have the title chip. Okay, so this is where it's actually going to get, I guess, a bit spoilery because we are taking a look at the system files, and the title screen does change. So I guess I'm just not going to show the actual file. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Okay, hold on, let me check something. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'm taking the files from the PS4 version, actually. So I guess I need to extract those. Oh, hello, RC. I can't hear you, though.
Hello? Yeah.
Okay, now I can.
Yeah, it's just Discord not recognizing the device.
Does that? Oh, how
It
have
does.
you been?
Busy.
Yeah, that's isn't that all of us
Work
at
and
this point?
overtime,
At this
all the
point.
time. Fuck.
Anyway, so Chaos Child shit menu. So press start. So actually I have the code for the 3DS thing here, so we can take a look at this because this is like straight copied from IDA decompilation, so this is a bit of a mess, but at least I have like initial press enter screen commented, so we can try and figure something out from here. So display
They're in
background.
English? That's surprising.
With
I thought it would be in Japanese.
the comments.
Yeah,
Oh,
the comments.
these are mine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is from the 3DS thing that I did.
Ah,
But yeah, the code is basically copied from the Chaos Child Android, but
ah.
this is I've put the comments just for myself to actually understand because all of these numbers they more or less mean nothing. So I think the PS4 has like the same file, so I think if you use this, we're gonna be fine. So, so we have the background. It's 1920 by 318, I guess. What is this even? Which background is this? 580 on the X. And the hell? Yeah, that's a bit weird. This background in the actual file is a lot wider, I feel like, but
1921. Okay.
well, yeah, I mean the game is 1920 by 1080, so
Yeah.
I guess
Yeah.
this makes sense, but and it's at 0, 0. So this is the first thing we're going to try and add into impacto. So this is going to be the, what was it? Display background. Well, I guess we're gonna call it title menu background. Seems reasonable. So it's in the title chip. Not sure if I have that set correctly. Title chip ID 30. It's definitely not that size though, so it's actually 2500 by 2048. And I'm just going to hope that it's this. Should be. This is also wrong probably, but we'll find out later. Okay, so this is now should be correct.
Oh god damn it, the mic was facing in the wrong direction.
I could still hear you unless you like placed it in the wrong direction in the middle of saying something. But okay, so what do I have here? 580, 1920 by 318. Not sure what the hell that is, but it's something probably. So now we can go and try and actually drawing this. I don't have to press the start animation or anything. But hold on. How does this work?
It doesn't.
Yeah, that's the thing, it doesn't, but why does it not? Oh, actually, I think I know. It wasn't the profile, but I've nuked everything from profile. We need at least the title menu press start animation or something. Yep. Actually, hold on, this doesn't make sense. Okay, I shouldn't have copied dash because I think I didn't rewrite it for the new stuff. So I guess I'm gonna look at memories of
Delete
6. Delete dash. I'm sure
Yes.
I'm sure everyone wants that at this point.
Oh, I still remember the last stream where you just this isn't working. Just delete it.
Yeah, well, I mean,
it
it's
works. What the fuck?
it's a good way of dealing with problems, you know. Just
Yeah.
delete them.
just kill it. Oh, this is
Okay.
seeking something that doesn't exist. Delete it.
Yep.
Yep. Doesn't need it.
Okay, so
Oh
we're
my
gonna
god.
copy it from here. I guess. This is like completely different. I guess I'm just gonna. I should have copied the memories of 6, but this is the annoying part. Just trying to set everything up to even get something to show up.
Oh yeah, talking about memory of. I'm hoping there's a PC version for the Chinese translation. It's just on
No.
Switch for now. Ah, god fucking damn it.
Well, yeah, I don't know if they're gonna. But hey, look, it's Mage's engine. I'm sure. I'm sure
Yeah,
it will
maybe
work on Impacto eventually.
eventually. Low on the list though. Let's see.
Who knows? Maybe I say fuck it to everything and just work on it.
Just
But
YOLO it.
yeah, well, probably not. Okay, I added the thing into the wrong thing, I think. No. Okay, I need to close the dash stuff. What is this? Sometimes it's very confusing. Okay, so that worked. That's good. Okay, so now we have this crap, which is... I think it's the same in Chaos Child. I guess we're going to find out. I'm not actually sure. Do I have anything in the... Yeah, I do. Well, that's setting up all the buttons and stuff. I don't think we can... I don't think we're quite ready to do that yet.
Yeah, that seems a lot.
I don't think I mean, I didn't even do any buttons in this 3DS thing because why would I? It barely worked in the first place. Oh god. Okay then, so another thing we can copy from Memories of 6 is this bit, kind of. I guess I'm just gonna copy all of this and just remove stuff that is not appropriate. Actually, I need to fucking copy everything because dash menu is weird. Okay, so now Chaos Child is memories off, with more or less everything missing, but now we just remove everything. Don't need any of this because it's probably wrong for Chaos Child. I'm just gonna leave it in as a template of sorts, I guess.
Encyclopedia, what?
Yeah, that's Memories of 6 has that. It's pretty much tips.
Ah, figures.
Yeah, they're a bit different, though. They like also have an image for every tip, which is, I guess, a bit cool. But okay, I think this. I don't know. This might be a thing in Chaos Child, but no idea. I think we need something for that. I guess this. Yeah, that took care of that. Don't have any main menu items. Well, for now, anyway. I don't think this is actually right for Chaos Child at all. It's actually more close to Chaos Head. Love Choo Choo. So I guess I'm gonna copy it from that. Where is it? Wait. Oh, it's actually the same. Okay. Well, I guess we're gonna find out if it's right or wrong. So for now, so we have this title mode 01, which so it's a switch based on script variable title mode, not title display count. So I guess we're going to change that. And in 01 we can start just rendering shit. I'm just going to put it into here for now. We can deal with everything else later. So that's draw sprite. Okay, so which sprite it is? It's the background sprite. So we're going to draw this one. So it's going to be at 0, 0. And that's pretty much it. We just need to draw it. I don't think it... Yeah, its opacity doesn't change really in this press enter thing, so... Okay, so display fence with the logo. So we need to add that next into the sprites. And I need to figure out how this works. Okay, so it's only if flag title mode. There is no this condition. So we're gonna get rid of it. Because, oh yeah, I think it should work like that. Now we're continuing on with getting all these sprites. So this is from actually from a different image, the fence with the logo. I guess this is from the title background.png. I think this is what I have as
Oh, so they're just categorized in single numbers, like number 1 is what, number 2 is what image, like that?
well, yeah, kind of. It's basically the ID of
Yeah, the ID,
the
yeah.
or the ID of the buffer they load shit in. So it really it could be anything, but I just
God damn it. That sounds annoying.
yeah, but I mean it's easy. It's pretty easy to figure out from the scripts because they would load into this ID like some image
Okay. Oh,
ID,
oh yeah,
which you
beforehand.
can
Okay.
look from the archive. So that's it's not that
Ah,
annoying, but I guess it's not immediately clear what they're actually doing. But I think I'm just going to
yeah.
assume here because I don't want to waste time trying to look that up. And I'm pretty sure the fence with the logo is the title background.png, and I'm pretty sure it's this. So, but it's not 1920 by 2160. It's at least in the PC version. It's 3456 by 1728. It's a really weird resolution.
Yeah, what is that? What?
I don't think they really. Well, I mean, it's wide because with the Chaos Child like menu, it moves.
Oh, the sliding. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
so I think it's have a shit ton of dropped frames. That's cool. So I guess I'm going to lower the bitrate.
Uh-oh. Oh
It
no.
might be my internet or something. I don't know.
It's
I
turning
lowered
into
the
8-bit.
I lowered the bitrate to like 4,000. Should be fine. I hope. Yeah, I think it's probably my internet. Whatever. Uh, okay, so title. Now we have to define another sprite for this. So this is what? This is the fence. So title menu fence, I guess. But this is the fence with without the sumo seals on it, because there is another fence. So I guess I'll just add sumo seal to the other one or something. So it's 1536, 1, 1920, 862. And it's from the title. So now I actually have to add it. Fence sprite. And I will add another just so this doesn't crash, so I don't have to remove press to start. Okay, so now that we defined it here, we need to go and define it in the profile. Fence sprite. And we don't actually have the logo sprite or the copyright sprite. Whatever. We don't need that for now, but we'll need them later. I guess you don't need the logo sprite actually, because the logo is with the fence thing. It's not actually a separate sprite in Chaos Chart, the logo. Okay, I need to close this so I don't get confused. Remove this, okay. So now we can actually use it. So we can do again render, draw sprite, fence sprite. We have it now. And it's going to be drawn at 86200. Okay, so let's just try and build this. It's probably not going to build because I forgot something, but I would have guessed. Okay, what's up? Okay, animation is shown up as available, but spoiler, it isn't. Wait, why is this? Okay, this should not be. This should not be here in the first place, I think. Yeah. So I have no idea what's actually going to happen. Might get lucky and it actually works, but that's rarely the case.
Hey. Hey, the test is working.
Okay, that's so we're not actually getting anything, but that's fine, I guess. Let's see if we're actually even.
I saw a blue screen. Oh no, no, a green screen for a
Yeah,
moment.
that's a bug with videos for now.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not actually even rendering the title menu. That's convenient. Why? Not updating it either, I suppose. Okay. So we're just not using the title menu. Cool. Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. In the profile, in the game, we need to actually include the title menu. Oh, it's included. And the type is scale child, so. Ah, that's right. You have to go to the main profile thing.
So many profile.
Uh, yeah, that's the profile system is it's pretty cool. Allows us to just implement any game, I guess. But it's also a lot of stuff just there. Okay, title
Oh
menu.
yeah, I used the profile before to build the Committee of Zeros and Nova engine.
Yeah, Noah also has profiles, but they're a bit, well, they're a bit different, I guess. It's more
Uh,
just like settings for the engine itself, whereas this is also includes the settings for the game, more or less. And like all of the UI stuff, UI definitions, as you can see, like where all the sprites are and stuff.
yeah,
Okay, now
points to the directory.
Okay, now we're actually getting somewhere.
Oop.
Well, that's something, I guess.
Half of it.
Interesting. I wonder
I
why
guess
this is messed
the
up.
motion
That's
is not
weird.
working, I guess.
Well, no,
It's not moving.
this is just the press to start screen,
Oh.
which like it moves when you actually press start.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But I
Wrong
wonder why.
position.
Or maybe did I mess this up? Is it? Oh, that's the height of the sprite. I'm an idiot. Yeah, it's not the X. It's okay. It's actually this. Okay, this should look more or less correct now. Oh, hey, this looks like Chaos Child, doesn't it? I guess.
Oh,
Does it?
it does.
Let's open a real Chaos Child to compare because I genuinely do not remember.
I can do that too. Let's see. Only
Uh,
720p?
Look, I'm not used to having a
No.
1440p monitor, okay?
Okay.
I also realized that, like, this might... Okay, no. Okay, no, actually, yes. Oh, shit. Okay, it looks correct. I'm just going to go ahead and say that, because, yeah, I have the full save, so in order to not, I guess, spoil anyone, hopefully, I'm not going to show the actual Chaos Child menu, but this looks correct. And in 1080p it looks so crisp as well, damn. Oh, this one is
Wait,
actually
I
with the
actually got.
serves.
Oh, actually, I got the older version of the Committee of Zero patch. What? I thought I updated it.
I think the last update for Chaos Child we had was like in May of 2019.
Yeah. What? I'm
So that's interesting. Anyway, so let's continue on. The copyright string. Need to make another sprite for that. So, well, as you can see, like when we get going, this is actually not that hard. I'm surprised like
for you
this.
maybe.
Well, I'm
For you
surprised this is
maybe.
even like working like so easily, but and we actually don't need this. Like there is no actual initial animation. But what what is that is like the smoke. So that's going to be fun because there is like smoke on the title menu, which actually does move.
Oh.
So we're going to have to create an animation for that, but that should be pretty simple, I think.
Copy and paste.
I don't know what this is. Japanese namings are. I mean, it's title icon count, but which icon is it? Oh, it's the press center icon. Oh, okay, I don't need this at all because we have this completely different animation system. Okay, thanks for that, I guess. Okay, so copyright string next. Once again, go to sprites, not sprites,
Oh shit.
title menu. And we can have a copyright. Almost a copyright strike. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Title menu, copyright. This is going to be different, I just realized, because the PS4 version is going to have the P-cube copyright, isn't it? I don't know. Who cares about copyright anyway, right? So this is also on the title chip because it's 7. So title chip 1667 860 20. Seems to be correct. Title menu copyright. Go into the profile again. Copyright right. Now we just once again draw it. Just tell it where the hell do you draw it, and that's pretty much it. Let's see how accurate it is.
It should be below, like dust.
Oh look, it's actually exactly correct. Oh, that's
Is it
right.
moving though?
No, I mean the
Oh,
copyright thing.
not yet.
The copyright text.
Oh.
That's what I did. Because I think the PS4, like the PS4 system image for that, has 2 copyright strings. Oh, actually, it has only one. Oh wait, no, that's yeah. It has like the Japanese copyright string in its original position, and then it has the P cube one in like completely different position. So this doesn't matter really. Who cares about P cube anymore, right? Okay, next we have a display press enter icon. So this is the PS4 version, so it's going to be like press X, I guess. I'm just gonna call it press to start. Oh, we already have that. Damn. Right. What about that? Just need to change the coordinates. 1508 689. Hopefully this is correct between PC version and PS4. 94. Okay, and this is where we have the animation, the blinking of the press to start. So we can do that. I think it's already. Yep, it's already there, so we can actually use it. And because I'm lazy, I'm going to copy it from the thing. So press to start. Okay, there it is.
Oh yeah, I'm going to the anime convention tomorrow. In
So
Hong Kong.
you should probably go to sleep, right?
No, it's fine. I'm going in the afternoon. It's fine.
Right. Oh yeah,
I hope
also.
I can buy some Vivi merchandise.
Oh
I don't
shit,
think.
nice.
Yeah. I don't think they're out this early, but maybe in the fan made section, because there's a fan made section for like people who fan made stuff and sell it. Maybe they will have something.
Yeah, I did get the CDs for the soundtrack.
Oh, I
And
haven't yet. Oh, I was so busy.
Be-
Ah.
okay, this is clearly not correct. Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's I know
What
that.
is what?
It's because
What is that?
it's part of the fence because it's not correct. It
Okay.
should be titled chip for the file, not the title.
Oh yeah, the CD released it like a year, like a month ago. If I
Oh my
remember.
god, at this point, yeah. It's been already a
Ah,
month. Jeez.
no.
Oh look, it works. I don't know if it's supposed to like blink this slowly or faster or whatever. Deal with that later. Just actually making it work. Display the overlay. The hell is the overlay? What overlay? What is the overlay? Who's going to tell me? 96. What is 96? Hmm.
Change the number around and you get 69.
Damn. Nice.
Nice.
Okay. Do
Do
I
I buy this?
the CDs?
Yes.
I mean, they're nice, but it's up to you. They actually have like a plastic case over the CD case.
Oh, really?
Double the plastic. It's actually like hard plastic. It's actually pretty nice. But anyway, I was trying to find out what the hell do I actually load into 96.
Did you get both CDs, like the original soundtrack and the
Yeah.
vocal collection?
Yep.
Okay. Is the vocal collection like rectangular or square?
I mean, they're both just regular CD cases.
Oh, I thought it might be like a booklet of sort.
There is a
Just
booklet
like,
inside. Yeah.
oh yeah.
This is just a regular CD. What
Mm.
the hell? I mean, where is the... Oh god. This code is so good that I don't even know what the hell is going on. Okay, so it should be here, right? I guess it does load them in the script. Damn it. So, no idea what 96 is. I guess I can try and find out by launching this.
Mm.
And waiting a million years when all the symbols load. That's great.
You like my pleasure.
You're gonna get copyright strike, be careful.
Oh, what really? Even bad singing? What the fuck? What a great anime. I'm waiting for a figure.
Oh god, it takes so long to load all of the symbols. It's ridiculous.
What?
Hello?
It's just stuck. Hello.
Yeah, it's loading all of the symbols for like
Well, I
everything.
don't think it's freezing. It's just.
Nah, it's loading the. It's doing
Oh
this.
yeah, you can. Oh yeah, you can see the debug.
Okay, then this is going to
Waiting for
take a
the
while, so I'm just
trigger.
going to take a look through the files and maybe I can find whatever it is, whatever 96 is. I don't actually see anything. Okay. What is 96? Who knows? Hmm.
Oh yeah, imagine if we can buy the teddy bear, the blue teddy bear in Reddit. That would be cool.
Yeah, I think they have them, but I don't think they're for sale.
Oh, they have what?
Like, yeah, I saw like they
On display?
exist. Yeah.
Oh my god, I want to see it. Let's see.
Where's the smoke as well? Hmm. I'm kind of lost here. Not
Oh,
sure
I
what
see
the
a fan made one, like 3D printed.
3D print. Oh, but that's probably the cube.
No, 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 no.
What? The 3D print the fucking
Oh no,
plushie?
yeah.
That's interesting.
Or maybe not 3D
Oh,
print. It
good.
looks
The
like it.
smoke is also from the 96 file. So what is 96? What is 96? What the hell?
The answer to everything. Oh hey,
Seems
Flat
like it.
Justice.
Hey, Flat.
What do you mean with Chinese? I'm poor.
And hello everyone who joined. I've been kind of rambling on, not really looking at the chat. It's not like anything is going on in the chat though, so like big beans. This is still loading all the symbols. That's convenient. At this point, I think it would be faster to actually for me to get the scripts, the decompiled scripts, and look at those instead. Should be in the system script. Chaos Child script. Oh, right. I only have those in. Oh, I guess we're waiting because I can't be bothered. Or can I be bothered? God damn it. This is taking way too long. Okay. Scientist to the rescue. Hello? That's not right. Chaos Child. Okay, there we go. Script code to the rescue. System. Where is 96? It's not there. Cool. Where is 96? 91, 93, 92, 94. The hell?
Can't you just like Control F?
Control F96. Unfortunately not.
Wow.
Display the overlay. I wish I would have been like, I don't know, more specific about this crap. Oh, okay, there we go. 91, that's not it.
Hey, at least it said something, not just crashes.
Well, I mean, it does work. 93, 92, 94, 80, 82, 75. 10. 97. $96. There we go. Oh, it's menu chip. .png. Oh really? Oh yeah, the smoke is in there. No, oh god damn it. Now which ID is menu chip in the PS4 files? Okay, eye patch, that's good. What? Okay, so the title BG is 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, I guess?
I'm really tempted to buy this. Looks nice.
19.
Oh, eye patch is here.
Seems to be. E.
What?
1486, 72. Menu chip. What are we even doing? I already completely forgot. Okay, there we go. Display the overlay. Okay. Whatever that is. Title menu. Overlay. One five five. 152. There we go. And we actually need to stretch it to 1920 by 1080. That's weird. How did I do that? Press to start sprite is like not. Oh right, yeah, that's because it's a shared thing. Okay. Add the overlay sprite. And now we can draw it. And we need to actually stretch it out. So I think for that we can use this. I don't think this ever worked though. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I guess let's find out.
Oh yeah, I might be able to buy this. Yeah, I should hold myself off. I might be able to buy the CDs at local stores. Though it's not guaranteed to be cheaper though.
This doesn't look correct.
Oh wow, what is that?
That's part of
It's
the
leaking. The mold is leaking.
that's part of the menu.
Okay.
Wait, sure they did this. Should work, right? I'm going to do something. So it's much easier to find a converter online from hex to float. Just saying. One B. Why can I not edit this? Come on. Oh no, I can. What the hell? Do I not have numlock on? What?
Laggy.
The hell is going on? $155. So we found that out. 155. So, but what is that? Let's see if there is anything like. Okay, so 155 is X. That's correct. Oh, that can't be right. I guess the Y is different. So it's 0E 43 142. What the fuck? But that's not right. Something isn't right here.
X and Y in reverse.
Why am I writing this in reverse? Or
Yeah, it might be in reverse.
oh, well, no, I don't think so. I think I might have just gotten the wrong file. Because 1898, it matches perfectly, and I think
Yeah.
the file is just... So I'm gonna have to extract PS4 files anyway. So this was all for nothing. That's thanks. I'm gonna have to dig out and Jellify.
Oh, the good old Jellify.
And extract the system stuff. Oh, it's already in the folder. That's convenient.
Yeah.
Wait, what am I doing? 19, okay, well, I mean, it's correct. I guess maybe the resolution of the image is not correct. It's 4096 by 2048, that's why. But at least I now have the PS4 images, so that's going to be more convenient. Why am I making this for a PS4 not for the PC? That's a good question. But whatever.
Oh.
Okay, so it looks more like Chaos Child now. Now we just need to get the smoke going, and
Yeah.
we're gonna have the press to start screen on Chaos Child. Don't need that anymore, hopefully. So the smoke. The smoke I made as a separate function here. Oh good, what the hell is this? Cause what the hell do I need to do? Hmm. I see. Well, let's try something with the animations. I guess. So basically what's happening here, I think it's just a counter to 1920. So it's basically taken like a more or less a part of 1920, but with our animation class, it's going from 0 to 1 float. But we can make that a part of 1920 and then just use that in the calculation, so it should be fine. So
Yeah, math.
maths! We're gonna have to do maths, damn it. Oh, but
God.
wait. The
Wait, there's more.
shit, actually, yeah, there might be more because hmm, because menu chip on the PS4 is different from the PC one. Crap. Yeah, that's totally the case. Well, and back to this. What am I looking at? That's not. That's not it either. Wait, what? Oh, no, this is it. Oh god, why? This annoying. Yes, I patch, but you know they're not gonna do that. Right? Okay, I'm just gonna use the damn text to float. $19.20, thanks. That's 1546. Okay, so that's this, I assume. And this is going to be the same. Okay, well, whatever, let's try it out, I guess. So we're gonna have two sprites for smoke. I guess.
Oh yeah, Steam Deck. Time to port everything to another system.
Well, I mean, it's Linux, so it's gonna work. Actually, one second.
Maybe.
Why
Emo
maybe?
S.
Impactor is going to
No,
work. Come on.
there's some confidence you have.
Obviously, Impactor is going to work. I mean, it works on Switch. What do you want? What do you expect? It also works on
Well,
Switch on
yeah.
Linux. So,
Okay. Weird flex, okay.
I mean, if you install Linux on the Switch, I mean, if you install Android on the Switch, it will probably work as well on there. So 20. What the fuck is it? You know what? Sure, 20. Hopefully that's correct. .288. What is that? Is there a 288 anywhere here? No. Okay, so smoke, right. I don't know. I'm gonna need another animation in here. I'm just going to loop because the smoke is continuous and duration I'm just going to set whatever for now. There we go. This is now this is now going to be the interesting part of this. How are we going to make this work? Yeah, that's right. Smoke. Done. Okay, so this is not going to work. We're going to first have to, because the actual like X of the sprite changes. It seems to change anyway, and like the width of it also changes. So we're going to have to do some shit. So it's going to be the same, I guess. 1920 minus. But now we have our smoke animation, so guess it's going to be. Now we're gonna actually have to like math. So
Oh no.
I guess it's going to be 1920 divided by smoke animation progress. I think there is a better way of doing this, but that's what I'm doing for now. And it's going to be 1546.
That's interesting. Oh, okay.
And the width of it is going to be the same thing. Yeah, funnily enough.
Wait, how do you pull those? How do you figure this out? Like you with the animation movement or
Well, I mean,
like y plus 20?
plus 20, well, this was in the code for the Android version, so
Oh, you just copy it. Oh, okay.
yeah, so I'm not entirely sure what's. I mean, I didn't really try to actually figure out what the hell is going on, so I really should at some point because
But not now.
Chaos Head Love Choo Choo has some really interesting animations, and I'm gonna have to do those somehow as well. So 500, I guess, and now we just draw it at 0, 580. I'm gonna have to bring out a calculator. Oh no. Does it have to 925? Okay. Because the opacity of it is going to be 0.25. Well then, will this work?
Let's find out in the next Dragon Ball Z.
I guess we're gonna find out right now if this doesn't, I don't know, just immediately explode. Don't think I see anything.
Yeah, I don't see anything either. It's not showing up even.
Okay, so what's up? Okay, 1920 is 1920. I did get that, thanks. Hello? Well, that seems to be, like, working.
Transparency.
Well, it's 0.25. We should still see it. I'm more wondering why the hell can I not... Okay.
It's undefined. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
that's makes sense. Thanks. Did I? Yeah. Mm,
hmm.
well, I mean, it should be. That that, that doesn't that doesn't seem
Minus
that doesn't seem
uh,
right. Wait, what? Well, yeah, of
4,000.
course I'm an idiot. It's multiply, not divide. This is where we
Oh,
find out that I'm really bad at maths, actually. In 1 second.
wow, you should really buy more RAM. It's client. Oh no, it's not. Nothing. Never mind.
Well, that's movement, okay? That's
Oh.
moving. It's definitely moving.
Oh my god. It's a hurricane. Why does it look so different? I thought it's brown, not white.
Okay, actually, well, we can try and calculate the time it take, like that the original animation takes, because it's so it's pretty much it goes until 1920 and it runs at 60 FPS because that's what the engine runs in, and because they only do +1 each time. So it goes up until 1920. It does 60 FPS, so we just divide 1920 by 60, 32 seconds, I guess. So 0.7 of a second is a bit too quick. I guess it
Gotta
should
go fast.
I guess it should be 32.
Yeah, but the color is wrong too. It's not. Is it white? I thought it's brown.
No, I think that's fine. But there is also like a that's more it's more like it, but it's still kind of not correct.
Yeah, I think it's like moving in the wrong direction. Like no. What the? What?
Screw this. Screw using PS4 files. I'm just going to take a PC MPK and throw it in there and hope it works. Chaos Child, Steam, why not? System.mpk. This is where we find out that DDS loader doesn't work and everything is going to explode. Probably. Well, I mean,
Again.
no, it should work. Actually, Nagato made the DDS loader, so it should work.
Hey.
Yes, Nagato did actually at some point can like contribute to Impacto, so that's kind of cool.
Wow.
Impacto, Chaos Child,
The lineage lives on.
System, PS4. And that's funny because considering like the window title was a meme referencing him at some point. Like the Robotics Notes PC port Alpha R4. Okay.
Okay. What? I think it's a bit fucked up. The.
A bit. I think that's more than a bit, but.
Oh my god! This looks amazing. Now we are back to Spirit.
Yeah. Everything is getting fucked up. Why is that? Why is that? Oh, right, yeah, that's because the image size, god damn it. Menu chip is like 4096 by whatever, 3072. And now I can actually use the numbers from here, which is like 1800, so not whatever I set it at before. And where is this? 3072, okay, should be fine now.
No, I think it's
No,
still
it's gonna
fucked
be,
up.
yeah, that's fine. I mean, it looks good to me. I don't know about you, but
Oh
yeah,
my god.
that's definitely not right. Um, hmm.
Mm.
This is
It's
why.
not a bug, it's a feature.
Yeah, it's a quick save. If you quick enough, you can click it.
Oh, oh my god.
Yeah, that's
Oh, it's here again.
there's
You
probably
missed it, you can't exit the game.
damn it. Now I can't.
Oh,
That's it.
oh,
The
wait,
game is
really?
yeah, we can't exit the game. No. We can't understand. I mean that's it. Okay, so I guess I miscalculated something. Oh, wait. Oh no, wait, that's no, wait, that's correct. I mean, it should be like this, really, but
1919?
well, yeah, because if it's over or equals 1920, it will. So this will never be 1920, actually. Don't know what that was. But where is the problem in our calculation? Let's see if we can figure it out. So this is sprite Y. This is Y. This is sprite width. Oh, but this is 1920 minus 1920 minus... What? The hell? What kind of fucking logic is this?
What? Who have zero multiplied by something? What? It's not. It's, oh, it's gonna be one and one. Oh, multiplied by what?
This
Okay.
is where we find out that no one actually knows maths, and especially not Japanese.
Yeah.
Have you seen how
Oh
they
my.
calculate the like the functions, the sine and cosine and all of that? Well, I mean, I guess it's kind of
Oh,
clever in a way that
oh, we need one. Oh, oh, in one. Oh, just 920 minus 1919. Oh yeah.
yep, okay, so now we're gonna try and draw this, so it's gonna be this is a bit simpler, I suppose. 20, 1800, blah blah blah. So then we don't need this anymore. It's going to be 580. Wait, what? $500. Oh no. Okay. Okay, this is correct. But then we need to draw this at this ridiculous thing. Great. Well, let's see if we get smoke or we get chaos again. Or we get the perfect smoke.
No, I think it's still. I can see it's still fucked up with the quick loading at the start. Oh wait,
Yeah.
what the what? Oh, it's working. Wait, what?
Would you look at that?
Would you look at?
Okay, let me
Is
actually.
it the same? Yeah, let's see if the
Yeah,
speed
let's
is
see
the.
if it's the same as the actual game.
Yeah.
I'm going to rename my save file so it doesn't screw anyone over. But spoilers.
That's some quick math.
Good.
It's working. Let's see.
This time I'm going to launch it in 1080p. I hope.
I think, let's see. Yeah, I think it's the same speed, like going to the right.
God. It's launched on the other monitor. Oh, it's actually. This is why I didn't launch it in 1080 because it actually scales, and I launch it in 1080 again.
Yeah, Chuck is correct. The speed, the animation speed.
Oh yeah, it should be, since maths and all that
Yeah.
should work. I just want to see them side by side. Why is it? I renamed the save file. What the hell?
What's wrong?
It's not playing the correct music. Yeah, I guess. Still looks kind of. The actual one looks darker. Oh no.
Is it?
And it also plays the opening. God. And this blinks faster, I think. Oh, that's
It
not a
looks
problem.
really similar.
Not a problem. I mean, you can see it like here. It looks a lot darker. Like there is another overlay actually. In fact.
Hmm.
It looks like the smoke is behind this. Or maybe I'm just completely hallucinating at this point.
Yeah, like the copyright should be at the front.
But this is the same order that they're doing it at, so
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's hard to pick out.
it's also supposed to fade in. You know what? Whatever.
It's fine enough. It's fine.
It's
It's
fine
good
enough.
enough. Don't be picky. It's working.
Spoilers. Now I have to take all of these numbers and yeah. Anyway, this will definitely need to be its own function. How did I do it? in here. Let's see, did I just make them? Oh,
Well, with the smoke working, I'm gonna go to sleep.
probably a good idea. I don't know how
Yeah, I have to
much.
make sure to
I don't know how much
withdraw enough
further.
money for tomorrow.
Spending it all on a con looks good.
Well, the con is much smaller than before, so probably not much. I
Not
might buy more stuff outside than within the convention. Mm.
I only ever bought one thing at a convention, I think. Maybe two.
Gotta go. Don't let the delusion bite you. Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good con day, I guess.
Thanks.
Anyway, but I guess we continue. So I'm gonna write an inline function for the smoke thing because, well, you don't want function calls and rendering stuff, I guess.
Just
Just
remembered. Are you
what?
gonna watch the Evangelion 3.0 plus 1.0? Like the
I haven't watched Evangelion at all.
uh,
Like,
it's pretty sad that I can't watch it in theaters.
yeah, I think it's still on my list somewhere. I haven't watched Evangelion like at all, so
Uh, yeah. It's sad though because I actually watched the third movie for the first like without watching the original series, but it's still great.
well, yeah, I don't know. It's like it's been on my list for a while, but I've only just
Yeah.
watched. I've only just recently watched Lane, so I'm a bit
Oh
behind on
yeah.
my
Oh, you watched that.
classics.
Nice.
A bit behind on the classics, so
Hey, you
that's
watched Lane.
yeah, it was good. I liked it.
Oh
So
yeah, like I always has been like chasing classics. Like I'm watching the original Gundam right now.
I don't know.
But
Mecha
the
is
story
actually
is a bit
not.
dragged out. Like I only watched like two which episode? Like
Mecha is not
two
my thing,
oh
unfortunately.
I only watched until 16. There's 43 episodes. But yeah, the original Gundam is pretty enjoyable. Like there's like talking about battle fatigue, like PTSD, and the constant battle and oh what resources you need. Like for example, like salt, like you need salt for survival and stuff like that. Pretty interesting. Well, I really gonna need to sleep. Good night.
Yes, go to sleep. Bye. We're back at the smoke. Cool. So what do we do now? Oh, it's already 10 p.m. I guess I'm gonna go on for a bit, implement maybe the movement from the. Just implement title mode 2. Oh wait, title mode 2 is the same as. Oh, I see. What the hell? I see where I messed up, I think. There's another actual like thing. There's just a rectangle. And it's black. And its opacity is this weird thing. That of this. Oh, I think it's actually just the fade in. Maybe. God damn it. Why do you have to make everything so stupid? What even is this? Let's see if that does anything. Didn't really do anything at all. That's... interesting. No idea what that does, or where it comes from, or why it doesn't work. Does it actually work in here? We're loading more symbols, of course. that was interesting. Funny how this works. Does this work better than... Actually, I completely missed the thing that I wanted to check. Does it fade in? I think it did. Yeah, it did. But it doesn't on impacto. That's curious. I think it may be something stupid like... No, not really. Weird. Not sure, but that doesn't work. Why is that 0? Interesting. I'm not sure why that doesn't work, but... Huh. That's interesting. It's not even going to the title mode one for that fade. So I suppose it has to be somewhere else. So the first title mode is not 1, weirdly enough. It might be 0, you might be missing something really obvious here. Now it's 11. What the hell? Interesting. It's 11. Okay. Sure, I guess. Okay then, so data node 11 is just the same thing, but not. I'll make all this tidier later, honestly, because this is a complete mess. Okay, now I actually should see the fade in. Interesting that they're doing it like that and not with a mask like they usually do. That's interesting. It wasn't a fade in. Some weird ass shit. Did I take the one? No. That's weird. So the hell is this? Oh, point, okay, but like, why the hell did it, why was it white? Why is this white? Oh. Never mind. So why is that white anyway? It's because, wait, it's supposed to be white? Sure. The hell? It still wasn't... I wouldn't call that correct. Something about that doesn't seem quite right. I didn't say I was done. I said I was done in quotation marks. Hey, SA. yeah, there is not only the green frame, and it shows up at the beginning of the video. I think it's the way I initialized the YUV frame. I think what I thought was maybe that because I initialized it with just black, that shows up as green when you process it with YUV shader, but maybe not. So yeah, I'm not done with video playback. I'm putting it into the cupboard basically, because I think I want to get like the background positioning stuff right and all of that. Huh, interesting. Yeah, but it's not only the green frame, it also crashes sometimes, and I'm not quite sure why. Well, I mean, I know why. It's because it's shit, but let's not talk about that. Video playback for me is still... I don't think I got it quite right. It's still not great, so I'm definitely not done with it. It will need a rewrite, probably, at some point. Yeah, that doesn't seem correct to me. I don't know about you, but why? Look, it's 256. 155, 142. Is this even the same thing? Yeah, it is, but that's weird. Why would it do that? You know what? Forget about it. It's fine? Question mark. I mean, this is definitely not fine. I'm not actually using the opacity anywhere. That would be useful if I did. Oh. What? Nobody saw that. But yeah, the main thing with video playback, I think I just got my priorities wrong. I shouldn't have started on video playback in the first place when like half of the engine is missing. No, that's good enough. That's good enough. Let's see what... Okay, so this is like the... Sure, I guess it's not... I mean, it comes directly from the script, so I guess... I shouldn't use it, right? Because the animations in the script are obviously like... crap. Well, as in they're tied to 60 FPS, and we don't want that. But I think all it does is literally increase the speed of the press to start animation. So what I'm going to do, and once again I'm going to clean this all up later. Just for this stream, I'm just going to do this. Seems reasonable. And then this is the movement. So we're gonna do that. But yeah, also, SA, if you're still here, I do have a weird issue with transparency in the videos, actually. It's not quite working correctly, I think. Even though I pretty much used... Well, I used your shader, but I think that's pretty much what needs to happen, but... Oh. The hell? What the hell was that? We don't need this here. That was weird. But yeah, well, I can show what I mean, but that will require skipping through to part. Let me try and... I'm just going to skip to the part that I want to show off screen, just so we don't... Just so some people, if they haven't played Chaos Child, don't get spoiled. So enjoy the Animal Crossing music meanwhile. Still skipping. The skip speed isn't very fast because it's not actually a skip. There is no skip mode in Impacto yet. It's just a crude skip thing that I implemented in order to just check stuff. It basically just doesn't wait for you to press the button on the message. Okay, so here it is. Let me take a screenshot of it. Oh well, and that happened, so that's cool. The video playback is not done at all. So crap. Okay, so here's a screenshot, and can you see like this outline in the transparency? It's like it's a very sudden change. Surely it doesn't. Surely it shouldn't be like that. But to be honest, I haven't really looked at it yet. Like, why does that actually happen? And didn't look at what kind of shader they use in order to do transparency stuff. So. But yeah, I don't think it should look like that. So if anyone has any idea why that is, feel free to type it in. Meanwhile, title mode 3 moving left. Let's do that. It's all based on title disp count. I guess I'm just going to have to figure out. The range of the title disp count and make that an animation. Shouldn't be too hard. And I think this is going to be the last thing I do for today. Oh, I see. Just move the background. Okay. Let's see the range of title disp count. Total disp. Okay, so it goes from 0. Goes from 0 to 90. Okay, so this is basically from 0 to 90 and it divides by 92 watt. Okay, so it's basically this will be 0 at the end, right? Yep. So I basically need to create an animation and take 580. Then we can get rid of 90 altogether, I think. Let's go with that for now. What am I doing? What the hell was that? Okay, so it should go from 0 to 1, so that's fine. I think it should be. I think it's like 2 seconds or something. I think I should go to sleep because I'm making some really stupid mistakes now. That's kind of not good. Okay, no, hold on, that's not. Okay, that should be it, I guess. See if I got it right. Well, obviously that won't work long term because of this. I didn't do shit. Oh, right, of course. Just messed that one up because of the breakpoint. Oh, would you look at that? It's slow, but it did work. Why the hell is that so not very smooth? Am I seeing things at this point? Anyway, this looks horrible, but seems to work, so... Just need to display the actual main menu items. which is oh my god. Well, this is a giant goddamn mess. Nope, I really don't feel like doing that right now, so let's not do that. Not right now. Instead, let's clean this up, I guess, and I'll be off. Let me just check something. How do I do this in memories of 6? Ah, I see. I guess I can do something similar here. No, I can't. Or can I? Let's check this theory. Because I'm pretty sure if you press back, well, of course, I guess no key is mapped to back on here, so I'm not going to find out. Oh. Well, that didn't do what I thought it would. Interesting. Well, of course, that's... What the fuck is this? Should I stop? What have I written? God. Oh my... Oh no. Delete this immediately. This, however, should work. almost. That's weird. Why did it do? You're almost there. What the hell? Is it like not fast enough? I guess it's not actually. I guess it's not fast enough. I think. Somebody time the actual game because I can't maths anymore to figure out how long that should actually take. I think it's like so it should take 45th of a second. Surely that's not right. It should take 4560. Well, that's what? Well, that makes no sense then. Looks like it's still too slow. Oh. Why does it still have my save? Oh, because the Steam Cloud. Oh, god damn it. Pretend you didn't see that. No, that's right, because I'm running at 75 FPS. The VM is actually running faster than it needs to. So this is crap, because it's still tied to the VM. God fucking damn it. That's stupid. We need to limit only the VM somehow to 60 without doing this, whatever it is. Turning off VSync. All of the animations in the Chaos Channel seem to be very dependent on the actual virtual machine and the fact that everything is running in 60 FPS. So that's why everything either slows down or speeds up massively if you're running at any other speed other than 60. It's still not... the hell? It's still not fast enough. But it should be 0.75 of a second. Unless I calculated something wrong. No, hold on. No, it's definitely the speed. Good. What a mess. That's good enough. I'm not sure why it's so freaking laggy though. What the hell? Gonna have to take a look at that later, I guess. Anyway, well, I think this is as far as I'm gonna go today. Just have to clean all this up, really, and put a bunch of variables into here. Maybe it's because I'm not using this for stuff. How is this going to help? I don't know. The question is, am I ruining everything? That's probably the answer to that is yes. What the hell is... what is this even anymore? Oh, that's true chaos. Is it actually going to make anything smoother? No, that's... yeah, that's... no. Well, it's... yeah. I should have known that that's not what that does, you know? And yeah, I have to put all of these values into the profile so it's actually kind of readable. Because this is just a giant mess. But that's boring, right? Nobody wants to actually see that. So I think I'm gonna stop here. So I can actually, I guess, show off something. Though, actually, no, I can't. Because it's Chaos I Love Choo Choo and nobody has played it. So I guess that would be it. So we made the title menu without even really figuring out anything because I already did at some point. Well, not even really figure out, but just copy paste stuff from IDE. You know, this, if I did this, this would be actually interesting to actually make this, all of this actually sane. Because this looks like it's just complete insanity at this moment, so. But I don't know, for some reason I feel really tired and I'm just starting to make really stupid mistakes, so I don't think this is going to work today. But we got at least something, and it's Chaos Child. So Chaos Child on Switch now is a thing, I guess. And now Anno can make his dream come true, which is Chaos Child Love Choo Choo, because that has a very similar menu, so I hope he can now figure it out, because it's not hard. You just have to look at what exists already, I guess. Just don't look at my comments, because they only relate to the game that they're written for. And if you're trying to use something from another game for a different game, it might not work entirely because they're completely different. Like, for example, this, I don't think we even need this in here. Stuff just works differently for pretty much each game, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. And I will have to agree with iPatch that Kaleido, Adventure, whatever, M2 is better in that regard because all of the UI stuff is scripted, so it really helps when you try 14 something or transferring something from console to PC like we did with that Gotoben thing. And even N2 has all the UI scripted, so I think it's cool when the UI is scripted because you don't have to do any of this shit. You can actually focus on something a bit more interesting. But well, I think what I really should do is focus more on backgrounds and character sprites and the movements and visual effects, and after that maybe the text rendering system needs to be addressed because it's very much incomplete. And after that, who knows? After that I should probably take a look at the videos again, because right now, as you can see, they're not working 100%. It says probably like 80%. The 20% is just crashing and weird shit. So unfortunately, video playback is done as in it's there and it works 90% of the time, but it's not done as in done, and I'm not going to change anything about it. Obviously, I'm going to. I just wanted to do something else for now. And because doing the videos when you don't have half of the engine is the priorities are weird. But I think this is it for today. Thank you everyone for coming into this random stream of me just blabbering on and weird shit. And I mean, look at this. This is just what a great code, especially this. Don't worry, I will try and make it more sane, hopefully, so nobody has to look at this weird ass shit. The music is very appropriate. But yeah, thank you everyone for coming, and I will see you sometime again whenever I decide to randomly stream again. Maybe that will be next week after that, who knows. Maybe we'll take a look at the system message box next, because that one is actually should be pretty interesting. The Chaos Child one has a bunch of sprites. So yeah, thanks for coming, and see you later, guys. And gals, do I don't know. Whatever, just see you later.